Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your host and host Ali Darcy once again back, but this time with the option play. Today in this video, I will tell you how I will be buying an option play for PLTR in the next week. Right now, when the video is being recorded, it's a Sunday, so a lot of prices will be changing a bit when the market will open on Monday. But still, I will try to share a play with you on Robinhood and Webull simultaneously, so those people who use Robinhood, they can understand as per Robinhood, and those who use on Webull, they can understand on Webull. But if you guys have a problem or something, you can comment down below, let me know which platform is much more easier for you, so I can do it that way. I will be waiting for your comments, your suggestions, your inputs, so we can make this a two-way traffic. Rather than me giving out information to you, I should also know what you guys want. So as I was telling you about PLTR, Palantir Technologies, I will be playing an option play with it, and hopefully this will be a safest play for the current moment. As you already know that PLTR is really news these days because ARK has bought a lot of shares of it, and we will be trying to catch up on that momentum when things will start coming back again to life and it will be turning green. But the company itself is pretty good. They are getting contracts left, right, and center from the government agencies from world over, and the company is already, I have explained the company in my previous videos. Kindly look into it, learn about the company if you don't know, and if you just want to see the option play, you can just see it the way I am explaining it to you, the calculations and the profitability projections. So hopefully this will give you an extra edge to learn how option trades are completed and done. Once the things will be starting to come in, when the option will be executed and the profitability will be there, I will be sharing it with you guys as well. Let's dig in. I will show you how PLTR options I will buy. Let's first come to the Robinhood platform. Here, as you can see, this is a PLTR. Now, two things, we'll be going step by step as I do. I will teach you. I will let you know how I select my options and how I work on it. Now, firstly, coming onto the play itself, coming onto the page, PLTR, you can see it's 27:05 right now, currently closed at, and it will be opening back again on Monday in the morning by 4. Options only have times from 9 o'clock Eastern till 4 o'clock Eastern in the evening. That's when you can do it. You cannot trade them in the pre-market or aftermarket. So this is one thing you have to keep in mind always. Now, once deciding a play, you know that the price of current position is at 27.05, which is lower. We all know that. Palantir has a huge potential which can go up to. Now, coming back to a 1-year chart of Palantir, what was the highest peak? $39. So we right now have a lot of room to grow. 39 was the highest peak, and with the performance going on with PLTR and ARK Invest buying a lot of shares, and a lot of industries, a lot of institutions are buying shares of Palantir, thinking that it will be growing. It will be growing hopefully, and we have to just catch the momentum of the play, and we have to understand how we are playing this one. Coming back to the original thing where how I do it. Now let's come back to the 1-day chart again. We have seen that this closed at 27.05. Now we'll be rolling down. What we'll be seeing, currently I have a very good thing to read it out. It is Palantir strikes long-term partnership with the French automotive supplier Russia. Now this happened on March 11th. This news has came on March 11th, and Monday morning will be 15th of March. So this news will be taking its effect also, and it will be pushing the stock a bit further in the market. Coming down to the the earning report dates, my major lookout is when are the earnings coming out of a certain company, so I can see the time decay, time value, and I can purchase my options according to that. Now expected is May 4th for Palantir. The previous one has gone, and they have beaten up, as you can see over here. They gave out 0.6 on the earning EPS. This was pretty nice, and the company did good, but the stocks went still. It declined a bit because of the newses, because of the speculations, because of negative energy going around. But I still feel the company has a lot of potential. I have played it before. I will be playing it again. You can see the bottom over here. I have played it already, but that was back then, not now. So what we'll be doing, we'll be going to PLTR. I'll be opening the option over here, option play. Now, if you remember the date, May 4th is the earning report. So what I'll be selecting, I'll be going either May or either June. Let's see May first. So May 21st, we have seen the strike price. We have seen the price of $39 already, which has the potential, to go. Now this is $39 strike price. This is $39. It has already been there, and I assume it can go back up again. But option is a 50-50 chance. If you hit it, you can hit a jackpot. If you didn't hit it, you will lose all what you're investing. If you're buying one contract, if you're buying two contracts, three, whatever, however you are buying it, you might lose it all, or you might gain it 10x. So it is all subject to how you play it. Now, if I am working on $39, I will be seeing the price of $1.50 per contract, and the delta over here is 26 cents. So coming back over here at 40, I'll take a chance at 40. I'll see how much the delta is. Delta is 24. So it's just mere of 2 cents. Over here, I'm getting an average of 11 cents discount. $40 is the price range coming in. May 21st is the timeline, and what I'll be doing is I'll be calculating how much money I have to invest. I have to invest $139, which give me the power to buy 100 shares when the price hits when the price hits 40, and before the time or by the time 21st May comes. Now let me show you how the calculation works on the option calculator. We will go on the profit option calculator. We will go long on it, and we will go down. We will put down PLTR. We'll get the price. Current price is 26.9. Over there it was 27.05. So still it is pretty much close, but it will be fine when Monday morning comes. Now let's go to May 21st. May 21st, this is in the money and this is out of the money. I am eyeing at 39.40. This is 139 I'm getting. Over there it was, what was the price over here? 139 price matches exactly one contract. Calculate. This is the probability of profit. Now if the price hits, how much I will be making if this price hits in mid-April, before even the earning comes, and the play goes on, and if it goes up, Monday morning, Tuesday, Thursday, however, by the end of the month, if it goes to, let's say, 35 on 1st of April, this will give me a profit of total profit of $204, and 343 is my total which I'll be making, but less my investment of $139. I'll be saving $204 in this one. But if I go a little bit aggressive on this one, and if I take 10 contracts, this will be my investment of $13.90. Let's calculate the average profitability over here. I don't have to calculate the delta, the gamma, the theta. I just have to go onto the option calculator and I just have to see it. Now I will be ranging it to 35 around 35 on 1st May. This will give me $3,650 as in total. Less my investment, which is $13.90, and $22.60 is what I'll be getting in the end. So option plays is sometimes pretty nice, but they can also make me lose money. What if it didn't go up? I will be losing money, and the max I will be losing in all the areas is $13.90. This is the max I can lose over here. Whatever I invested, I can lose over here, and this will be all negative. But if I doubled it up, if I go 3x, if I go 4x, this will be totally different zone, totally different outlook. So this is how I work. This is how I will be doing my option play. I'll be taking this one or two or maybe three max. That's what I'll be looking at, because I won't be investing much in this, but I will be riding. I will ride it along. I will be holding them up, but for a certain time. Once this passed my investment, once I recovered $417 on my 3 contracts, that is my basic initial investment. Once I recovered them, I'll sell one of my contract and I'll let the 2 remain ride till the end. If there will be riding all along till the end and the price goes above 40 or beyond 60, which I can speculate looking at the PLTR information and graph, this is how I will be doing it. I'll take out my investment, I'll let the others sit and ride till the end, and I'll sell them 1 week earlier than the strike price date, and that's how I will be making my profit on them. Now let me show you how the same thing looks like on Webull. I will be selecting May 21st. This is in the money, and we will have a certain a little bit few informations more than anyone else. Right now this is just a moment. Let me get it up. Yep, this is fine. This is nice. Okay, so the price we selected was 40 is the bid ask is 1.38. Over there it was 1.39. And the best thing what we will be looking at is the open interest. Now other than myself, there are a lot more people, those who are looking up at this information, and they are trying to select an option and select a game to play. If this one, as you can see, this is the most highest right now, and the other highest is 30 strike price on 21st May, and the highest again is then 35,151 open interest contracts. So this is my selection on Webull. If I see how it goes on Webull, if there is a table and a graph, I'll select the graph. I'll try to make the graph a bit higher so you guys can see. Now the chart which you saw over there, you can see it over here too. That's the way the profitability will be calculated. That's the way the profit will be going on. Now over here the strike price is selected 40, and these are 10 contracts. Over here I'll reduce the contracts to 1. Unit price is of 140. Now it is a single option and it's a buy call. It's a call buy, right? And strike price is 40, expiring 21st May. Same thing, same way it works. And you can do this this way also, understanding completely how this is going on Webull and Robinhood. You guys can do your plays, whatever is easy for you guys to buy and sell. I sometimes do options on Robinhood. I do sometimes options on Webull. I have both the accounts. I have other account on TD Ameritrade as well, and hopefully I'll be getting one in Fidelity pretty soon. So these are my 4 areas where I am working more aggressively. Currently, as I mentioned in my earlier video, Webull is my main, but I will be getting it separated in other areas also. I don't want to just trust on one platform. I want to have 2 to 3 options, because sometimes OTCs you cannot buy, you cannot play options, and you cannot do anything on Robinhood and Webull. So this is the things I do. This is how I am doing it, and I'll be showing it to you guys as well. Hopefully you guys can make some profit on them. So I hope you like the play. I have showed it to you, and hopefully you will be making yourself wealthy and trying to learn, trying to educate yourself with these plays. And I hope I'll bring them soon again to you, the new ones and the big ones, which can multiply pretty fast. This will be a 10x opportunity. I hope you guys do good. Best of luck to you, and like, subscribe, and share my channel, because this is what I am looking for, and I'm rooting for you guys, waiting for you guys to do your own plays, and share it with me down below in the comments. Subscribe the channel. Take care guys. Best of luck. See you soon. Good night.